Finance Fridays on Good Morning Washington is sponsored by Northwest Federal Credit Union.
Well, it's Finance Friday, and today we're out at Herndon at Northwest Federal Credit Union. Well, I'm joined by several guests, including Jeff Bentley, President and CEO of Northwest, along with Nini Spivey, Executive Director of the Northern Virginia Science Center Foundation. And we were out as part of an activity where employees have volunteered their time to help build STEM kits for members of the community in need. And we're talking just about how important it is to be involved. First of all, thanks for having us out here, Jeff.
Thank you, Brian. Thanks for coming out.
So let's talk a little bit about this partnership that you've come together. Why is it so important for the credit union to partner with the Science Foundation?
So it's a wonderful question. We, as part of an employee engagement and working with the community, we pay for our employees to volunteer at other community partners, nonprofits, 24 hours a year. And so we partner with several community partners, and the Science Center has always been a favorite of the employees. So we'll get a list of opportunities, and the Science Center will have some need, and our employees immediately fill that void. So we love doing it. It's part of, again, employee engagement, community involvement, but it's also supporting a great cause and what they're up to.
So Neely, let's talk about the partnership with Northwest Federal Credit Union, why it is so important.
Yeah, one of the most amazing things about our partnership with the Northwest Federal Credit Union is their tremendous commitment to building a regional science center for our community. And so Northwest is one of our pivotal partners that is bringing this long-held dream and vision to reality. We'll have an amazing hands-on regional science center called the Northern Virginia Science Center right near here in the Dulles Corridor. So we couldn't be more excited, and we couldn't be more grateful for the kind of leadership that Northwest is doing for the Science Center.
All right, and let's talk about some of the recipients of these STEM kits here. First of all, tell me your name.
Meredith Hovan, I'm with Cornerstones.
And talk a little bit about how this all benefits you as well with the STEM kits.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, again, with such great thanks to Northwest and the Science Center. These kits, 200 kits, are going to children elementary school age that we serve throughout our various community programs throughout Reston and Herndon. So students who may have missed some opportunities, particularly through the pandemic, giving them these resources and fun activities right after Thanksgiving before the holidays to get more exposure to STEM and build their education base in the science, technology, education, and math. So we're thrilled and so very grateful.
All right, see it all working together, business with the Science Foundation, with community, with partners, all coming together to help the kids in the community. What better could there be? That is the very latest here from Herndon. I'm going to toss it back inside to you guys.